The American Pickers community was shocked when Frank Fritz tragically passed away in September 2024. The beloved antique collector had faced serious health struggles in his final years, including a debilitating stroke in 2022 that left him under a conservatorship. Now, just months after his death, his will is being contested, raising serious legal questions about the future of his estate. A friend challenges the will. Before his passing, Fritz's legal team prepared a will in October 2023 as a safeguard to protect his $6 million fortune. However, according to The Sun, on December 31, 2024, an attorney representing an unnamed female friend filed paperwork challenging the will. Then, on February 3, 2025, another attorney filed a petition in probate to set aside the will and jury demand. This request, if successful, would annul the will entirely, meaning Fritz's assets could be redistributed in a different way. At the moment, the case has been sealed, so further details are unavailable to the public. However, this legal battle could delay the distribution of Fritz's estate for months, if not years. Who controlled Frank Fritz's estate? Since his stroke in 2022, Fritz was placed under a conservatorship, meaning a guardian was responsible for making all major financial and medical decisions for him. His longtime friend Chris Davis served as his guardian, overseeing his care. Midwest One Bank was appointed as his conservator, managing his finances. At the time, court documents stated, Mr. Fritz's decision-making capacity is so impaired that he is unable to care for his own safety or provide for necessities such as food, shelter, clothing, or medical care. This raises questions about whether he was fully aware of his will's contents, which could be one reason it's being contested. What happens to his antiques? Frank Fritz was known for his incredible antique collection, and after his passing, many wondered what would happen to his prized possessions. His friend Jerry Gendro previously shared that Fritz's collectibles would likely be sold at auction, telling the Daily Mail, "That's what I would do because of his fan base. I think he'll do really well with an auction." Among his most valuable antiques were the Ace motorcycle, $90,000, one of the rarest bikes in the world; Aerosmith's original tour van, a piece of rock and roll history; Jell-O wagon, $6,500, a rare advertising relic; Elephant's head, $9,500, a unique and controversial collectible; Star Wars Yoda prototypes, $6,250 each, a must-have for serious collectors. His Savannah, Illinois antique store is still stocked with items, and Gendro suggested that it could be transformed into a tribute to Fritz's legacy. "We may display motorcycles and choppers that represent Frank," he shared. With the will now being legally challenged, it could take months or even years before Fritz's estate is officially settled. If the court overturns the will, his assets could be divided differently, possibly sparking even more legal battles. For now, fans of American Pickers will have to wait and see if Fritz's legacy is preserved as he intended, or if this court case changes everything.